Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to go ahead and do a video on juicing. I actually went ahead and did some research, believe it or not. I know my little geek side is coming out. Yeah, let's go ahead and talk about what I juiced during my pregnancy. So first of all, I always juice carrots. Carrots are so tasty. They were tasty before my pregnancy and they're tasty now during my pregnancy. Carrots are really good for your baby's eyesight. It's great for your own eyesight. It has a lot of vitamin A and E, which is really good for your skin and really good for, I don't know what vitamin A is good for actually, but I know that you need it during your pregnancy. Another thing that I incorporate in my juice is beets. If I don't get the fresh beets, then I get powdered beets. You can definitely use powdered beets as well. I normally get mine from Trader Joe's or you can get it from Sprouts. It's just like the powdered form. I get the organic beet powder, and then when I run out of that, I just get like the fresh beetroot. And you can do gold beets or you can do red beets. They're really great source of fiber. They're really great source of iron. It's really great for your stamina. It's good for your digestive system. You know, if you have like constipation or anything like that, then you might want to do some beets. Apples are just so tasty. I eat those like whether I'm juicing or I'm not, just because it's very sweet. And that's another thing, is I have the craziest sweet tooth. And I never had a sweet tooth before. I was not like a cake person, an ice cream person, a cookie person, or anything like that. But during this pregnancy, like those smells just make me feel so happy. It's actually really nutritious as well. It has a ton of iron. It also has a ton of water in it, so it helps prevent you from dehydration. Another thing that I love to juice is lemons. If you don't want to incorporate that into your juice, then what you can do is just make lemonade, because lemons are so good for you. And if you don't believe me, then do your research, because I researched it and there is like so many health benefits to juicing lemons. Some, which I will list, are the amount of fiber it has, carbohydrates, it has protein. I know, like I didn't even know that lemons would have protein in it, but it does. And it is also jam-packed with minerals like folate, zinc, and calcium. And it's also a really great way to prevent nausea. So if you feel nauseated, then make yourself some lemon juice and you'll be good to go. Those are the things that I incorporate into my juice. I also incorporate spinach, I incorporate kale, I incorporate lettuce. Those are the vegetables that I incorporate, but I normally go for like fruits. I also do watermelon, I do cantaloupe, I do like blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, celery. I do it all, and everything is so nutritious. There's no limit on how much fruits and vegetables you can eat. So if you have a hard time just steaming your vegetables and eating it, or eating it raw, then juicing is a great way for you to just, you know, get all the loads of nutrients your body needs without actually tasting it or having it take forever to like consume. Because during my first 3 months of pregnancy, I did not want to even look at a vegetable or a fruit. Like, all I wanted was junk food. Now that I'm in my 5th month, you know, I'm back to my regular eating habits and I can kind of limit my junk food consumption. I feel like I have more control over that. So yeah, that is basically it for this video.
Actually, no, that's not it. I just wanted to also share the type of juicers that I use. I use the NutriBullet and I use the Breville juicer. The NutriBullet allows me to keep the fiber and, you know, the materials of the fruit. As you can see in the background, like the whole fruit is in that cup. That's the NutriBullet. And then when I juice in my Breville juicer, it's more of a juice. There's no heavy little fibrous material or anything. And then these right here are the supplements that I include in my juices. This is what I use when I do the NutriBullet. So it's jam-packed with all these supplements. I love these supplements. I recommend them to everybody that I know because they're organic, they're safe for you and your baby. And over here I'm just showing you all the stuff that I put in my NutriBullet. There's a ton of berries and also spinach and kale and carrots. I try to incorporate the NutriBullet every morning for breakfast, and then with my Breville juicer, I try to consume that throughout the day. And what's great about the Breville juicer is it comes with 6 of its own glass bottles, so you can prep your own juice and then you can have it throughout the day. And I just leave the extras in the fridge and I have juice for like the next 3 days. And that's practically it for this video. I really hope you guys found this helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below what you like to do for juicing or how you stay healthy during pregnancy. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.